accidentally post a video on TikTok and you want it removed from your profile? Or you've uploaded a video, it didn't perform well, and you now need to delete it completely? Then follow the steps in this video in order to learn how to delete a video from your TikTok profile. Let's start by opening our app, and then you'll go over to the TikTok profile. I have a bunch of videos on my account, but let's say I don't like this sunrise video which I've posted a while back, and I need to delete it. You can tap on the three dots at the right side, but maybe some of you have a little arrow icon at the right. Just tap on either the three dots or either the share button until this sheet appears. I suggest that you first download this video to your gallery if you don't have it saved, because we won't be able to recover it after it's permanently deleted. So I'll quickly download it to my phone, because I'll maybe change my mind in the future about this video. I'll then scroll towards the right side until you see this delete option. It says that you can restore this post within 30 days from the activity center in the settings, so you can get this video back and essentially recover it within a 30-day window. So if you delete it now and change your mind in 7 days and want to get this video back, you can easily do that. And I'll show you the steps of recovering deleted TikTok videos in a separate tutorial. But for now, I'll simply delete it, and it will be removed from my profile completely. Check out my YouTube channel for more helpful TikTok and other tutorial videos, and I will see you soon.